Good morning, students. This is Devashish sir. I hope you all are keeping well. I have come up with the new digital lesson. The topic of the digital lesson is flowchart. We are repeating this topic again because many of the students are having doubt in this topic. So, first thing what we will do in this topic is we will identify the symbols used in the flowchart. So let's start with the topic. The different symbols given in the table, the first one is the terminal box, which is also known as the start and the stop. The second one is the input or the output box. This is used for any input-output operations in the given problem. The third one is the process box. This indicates any type of internal operations inside the processor or memory. The fourth one is a diamond shaped box and is also known as a decision box, where we take decisions and it results in the form of either true false or yes or no. The next one is the flow line. These are used to show the flow of a program, or we can say that the direction in which the program is moving. The next one is a predefined process. This is used to invoke a subprogram or an interrupt program. Basically, we can say that this is acting like a function. The last one is the connector. This allows the flowchart to be drawn without intersecting the flow lines or without a reverse flow. So let us start with a question. We have done this question and I am repeating it one more time because most of you have problem in this question. So please note it down. Design a flowchart to interchange two numbers. So let us start with the diagram, then we'll be doing the flowchart. So suppose we have two numbers as A and B, 15 and 25. So interchange means B will contain, after the process gets over, the B will contain 15 and A will contain 25. That means we are interchanging the value of A with B. So in order to perform this operation, we are supposed to take one more variable, that is C, which will be empty in the beginning. So let's start. So first of all, what we will do is we will assign the value of A to C. That means A will become empty, B will contain 25 and C will hold the value of 15 now. In the next step, we will shift this 25 to A. So now A is becoming 25, B is becoming empty and C remains 15. In the next step, the value of A remains 25, the value of C is shifted in B, so it becomes 15 and the value of C becomes empty. So this is the end of our process. Now the value of A has 25 and the value of B is become 15. So see, we have interchanged the value. So if in order to design the flowchart, the first thing what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to start with the oval shape. In the next step, we will use a parallelogram box, the box which is also known as an input or the output. So here we will assign two values, that is let A is equal to 15, let B is equal to 25. In the third step, we'll be doing the process, and this process contains 3 steps. So we will use a rectangle shaped box where we will write C will be equal to A will be equal to B, and B will be equal to C. In the last step, we are supposed to print the value. So it will be print A, print B. So at last we'll terminate by writing stop. So with this we interchange the two values. So if you have any doubt, children, you can always give me a call or you can send a message. So let's move on to the next question. We'll be doing it. So design a flowchart to print the first 10 multiples of 5. Children, I said multiples of 5. That means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So let's start. Let I equal to 5. Now why I am taking 5? The reason of taking it as 5 is in the question, according to the question we have to go. We have to print the first 10 multiples of 5. So the first multiple of 5 is 5. And then we will check if this 5 is less than 50 or not, because till 50 we have to go. So is I less than equal to 50? Now if it is true, then what we will do is we will print I, and then we will update the value of I by adding 5. So let I equal to I plus 5, and then I will connect this with the condition again. So this process will keep on going until and unless the value becomes more than 50, and if the condition is false, then automatically it will get terminated. So out here I'll write stop and I'll terminate the problem. So I'll be giving you more questions, so you are supposed to solve those questions, and if you have any doubt you can ask to me. Thank you, children.